In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload audio to Google Drive. So first, you need to log into Drive. To do that, if you go to Google, and then you go to the Google Apps button in the top right hand corner, provided you're logged in, you can go ahead and find Drive. It should be around the bottom somewhere. If it isn't on here or you can't find it, you can click More from Google Workspace Marketplace, or you can just go ahead and Google search Google Drive. Once you're here, you'll be signed in. You'll be able to see your email in the top right. Then you can go ahead and click on New, and what you can do is you can either create a folder to add all of the audio files to, or if you just want to upload one audio file, you can also do that. I'm going to click on New Folder because I'm going to collect everything in one folder. If you just wanted to upload one audio track, you'd just click File Upload. First though, I'm going to create my folder and call it Audio. Then we can click Create, and it will go ahead and create that folder. You'll be able to see it in My Drive. So here we've got our audio folder, which I'm going to go ahead and click on. Now we can go New. I can then go File Upload, and we can find the audio file. For me, I'm just going to click on this audio file here. You can select multiple audio files. So click on it and then go Open. You'll see the status of that in the bottom right hand corner. And now it's uploaded. You've got that on your Google Drive. It will stay there forever. You'll be able to go to My Drive, the folder, and here you'll see your files. So that's how you can do it. You can also right click and share the folder or files with other people, but I've made other videos on that, so I hope you enjoyed.